guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way you can achieve box braids using crochet method. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my hair clips, my scrunchies, and the braiding hair of choice today is the lulutress 3X box French curl, and it does come 36 in a pack, and I'm using 4 packs. It is 24 inches and it is in color number 1. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you guys how it comes out of the pack. It does have the French curl. It is so pretty. I am in love, and it is nice and long. So baby, you already know I'm feeling myself before we even get started. Okay. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from the center of my head exactly the way I'm doing. So I'm going to do a really nice straight line. So you guys can see, I want to make sure the front right there is nice and straight. So I want to make sure I have a nice middle part as well as the side part. So I'm just going to do some basic corners going all the way to the back, sis. So you already know how I did the other side. So I'm going to show you guys how I did the other side as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys just, you know, the way I do the corner. So I'm just going to section the hair out and then use my scrunchie to secure it. And then I'm going to take my hair clip just to make sure the hair is out of the way. So I just wanted to make sure you guys know that you can actually rock this hairstyle using some basic corners going all the way to the back, and you will come all the way through. Yes. I want to make sure I look like I have traditional box braids, and these corners are easy to do. It takes me 30 minutes to corner my hair down and then another 30 minutes to crochet. This whole style right here takes me an hour. Let me show you guys again. So I'm just going to section out the line exactly the way I'm doing, and then I'm just going to take my scrunchie and secure the hair. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hair clip as well just to make sure the hair is out of the way. That way, you know, I'm not even having any kind of trouble, sis. I want to make sure these corners look really good, especially in the front, because listen, I want to have an illusion that I have traditional box braids, sis. So that's the whole point right there. Once I'm done doing the corners going all the way to the back, I'm just going to take my coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture and make sure I moisturize my scalp exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, so once I'm done moisturizing, I'm just going to give myself a little massage. Anyway, let's get into the styling. As you guys can see, those French curls are coming. They're popping. They're coming all the way through. I'm using 4 packs because you know your girl got a big head or whatever. But I also wanted to make sure these braids are nice and full. So I'm just going to use a crochet needle, a basic crochet needle, and then I'm just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not going to pull it all the way out. I'm gonna go into the hole again, go all the way to the French curl, place it on the hook, and then close it and then pull it out. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna pull it together and then give it a little tug. That way, you know, it is nice and secure. Once I start doing the crochet, sis, as you guys can see, I'm starting from the top right there. So I don't go all the way to the bottom because I want to make sure the hair is enough first before I can fill in the bottom. Okay, sis? Most of the styles that I usually do, I usually leave the hair down. So you cannot really tell in the back that you don't have any braids down there. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You want to make sure you start from the corner of your ear right there. So the front, you're going to make sure you're starting from the corner piece, because once you pull it out, you want to make sure it looks nice and realistic, like it is actually your braid. Okay, it is an actual box braid, like a traditional braid, like individual braids. That's what I'm trying to say, sis. Okay, if you don't know how to braid, you know, individual box braids, and you always have trouble making sure you have uniform braids, this is your technique right here. You want to make sure you try this right here, because baby, it is going to come all the way with the root. Yes, sis. Okay, the most important part about these braids is that they're nice and uniform. You don't even have to worry about trying to make sure the braids are looking nice and uniform, sis, because listen, they're all going to be looking exactly the same way. I love that they are nice and small, because wow, girl, I'm feeling myself. I'm not even done, but I feel like I already have box braids on my head, period. They're nice and light, girl. That's a win-win. Just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, Take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm gonna go into the hole again, go all the way to the French curl, place it on the hook, and then close it and then pull it out. I'm going to make sure I crochet very, very close together, especially in the front right there, where I'm going to have my middle part and my side part. So I'm going to do both sides very close together. That way they look really, really nice and realistic. That way they look like sis is trying to do some box braids or whatever, okay? All right, guys, so I'm going to show you guys again. So all you gotta do is go downwards, okay? So on your left side, you're going to be placing the crochet needle in, going downwards towards your ear. And then on the right side, you're going to do the exact same thing because you want to make sure they're nice and uniform. That way they lay really, really nice and flat, sis, okay? So just bear with me, and then I'm going to show you guys in the middle right there what you're going to do. So I do love to wear a middle part and a side part. So I want to show you guys what I do to make sure they look realistic. Like I did some traditional box braid. So you want to make sure you're going downwards, and you also want to make sure you are going on each line only in the front. That way it looks realistic, like they're growing out of your scalp, like you actually have traditional box braids. Okay, sis? I'm going to skip the other pieces and go on the third line, okay? So that way it is not too thick. So that's the whole point right there. Make sure, sis, you understand, because I want everybody to be looking cute out in the streets. And if you do not know how to braid, this is a perfect way how you can achieve box braids, especially this trendy kind of French curl braid. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's going with this French curl right here. But while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. If you don't know how to braid, individual box braids, and you always have trouble making sure you have uniform braids, this is your technique right here. You want to make sure you try this right here, because baby, it is going to come all the way with the real. Yes, sis. Okay. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. But thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. You already know I am nothing without you. From the bottom of my heart, I really, really want to take this time and say thank you. These braids right here are going to help all my sisters who cannot braid, all my sisters who are having trouble, having uniform braids, and all my sisters who do not have time to sit down for hours to make sure they get their braids done. This style right here is going to come all the way through for you, sis. Period. Okay. So excited because this hairstyle right here came all the way through, and I am believing in each and every one of you guys. I'll put the link of where I got this hair, and it is nice and light. It is, oh girl, I'm telling you, this is a win right here. So I did exactly the same way I'm doing on the middle. I did that on my side part as well. That way when I flip the hair, it looks really, really nice and realistic, sis. I'm just gonna go back to the back and just make sure I add some more braids in the back right there. As I was telling you, I used 4 packs. The braids come 36 pieces in 1 pack, and I used 4 packs, sis, okay? So once I'm done doing the crochet, I'm just going to take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure I lay these baby hairs down using the brush that I got from where Amazon. You already know what it is by now. Once I'm done laying all the baby hairs down, I'm just going to make sure I take my styling strip and make sure everything is nice and laid and situated. And baby, when I tell you, these French curl braids came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this French curl box braids right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style or whatever. Because baby, at this point, I am feeling myself. Baby, when I tell you they are nice and full, they look nice and realistic. They look like Miss Tupo1 got some fresh braids or individual braids or whatever you want to call it, sis. I am loving their curls. I am loving the length. It is 24 inches. It is nice and black. I am just feeling myself right about now. But you already know I gotta show you a few ways on how you can rock these box braids. So you're gonna just flip it to the side, and baby, they came all the way through as well. And you already know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here we are. I'm just gonna add this gold accessories here, there, and everywhere. And baby, it took the style all the way to boom, boom, boom. 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. Let me know if you guys are feeling this half up, half down kind of situation as well. And make sure you're watching out for next week's video, because baby, all these styles right here, I'm about to show you how I achieved them in next week's video. So you better make sure you are ready. All right. Look at this gorgeous earrings. These earrings are coming very, very soon. We are going to be launching these earrings as well. So these are part of the earrings, sis. I'm telling you, we are winning in 2023, 2024, and forever. Okay. If you guys loving these earrings, let me know in the comments below if you guys are excited to see these earrings, to purchase these earrings. These earrings are going to be bomb.com. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, you guys are the real MVPs. You already know how I feel about each and every one of you guys. But thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, because you guys are making a girl's dreams come all the way. What? Yes, sis. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing my videos. It means a whole lot to me, sis. All right. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mama, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.